In this video I will show you how to block apps from accessing the internet on Android devices. First of all, open the settings of your device. Pull the quick setting panel from top to bottom, and again. Tap on the settings icon. Once the settings screen appears, tap on the Apps section. Next, tap See All Apps. This will open a screen with a list of apps running on your device. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Find the app you want to prevent access to the internet. Let's use Chrome as an example. Tap on the selected app. This will open the app's information screen. Next, open the mobile data and Wi-Fi section. Toggle off the switch next to Background Data to prevent the app from using data when running in the background. Repeat these steps for each app you want to block from accessing the internet. Note that some apps may not function properly if they are blocked from accessing the internet. Thank you for watching.